Hi, this is Richard, and today I'm going to show you how to remove lens distortions in Lightroom. So for example, you may have a lens that slightly bows or uh, your image or slightly distorts it at certain focal lengths, and that's pretty common for various lenses. So we're going to correct those distortions in the lens in Lightroom, and we're going to show you how easy this is to do. First of all, here's an image that I took with an 85 millimeter Canon lens f1.8. You can see up here I'm pointing with the mouse cursor. And all I'm going to do with this image that I've brought into the develop module here is I'm going to go down to lens corrections, and under profile, because that is, we're going to pull up a lens profile, I'm going to check remove chromatic aberration, and then I'm going to check enable profile corrections. And you can see that it automatically detects that I had a Canon lens, that it was the Canon 85 millimeter f1.8, and then it pulls up the profile for that lens. So I have it set up on auto. And now watch the image here, because it did change once I checked this box. Watch. Here it is. You see it's a little bit darker around the edges here. Now watch, I'll check enable profile corrections. And you can see the lens is the image is corrected based on this lens profile here. So that's how simple it is to do in Lightroom. And yes, you can do this in Photoshop, but it's a little bit more complicated in Photoshop. It's a little bit buried in the menus, and just not as simple usually as it is here in Lightroom. So that's why I always bring my images into Lightroom first, and then when I'm ready to go to Photoshop, I just go up here to Photo and edit in, and then you see Adobe Photoshop right here, or Command E would also do it. But be sure to do your lens corrections here, and you could even have this set up with a preset that so the lens correction gets applied with the preset that you want to use as soon as you import the image. And let me show you what that would look like here. Let's say I have a preset where I have a lens correction being done automatically. I can come over here to a preset that I like, that I want to have applied automatically whenever the image is imported. And if I right click, I can choose apply on import. And what will happen then is, as the image is imported, the preset here that I've chosen will automatically get applied. And if that preset has lens corrections in it, then the lens corrections will get applied automatically when the image is imported. Just another little tip there. But be sure to check out the lens corrections in Lightroom. And this is Richard, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you found this helpful. Thank you so much.